So,
ganun nga yung meaning.
Opo,
Okay,
12 years, after 12 years, dun ka na po magka-college.
Magka-college. Di humaba ang high school
Opo.
longer.
Yes.
Before
College.
grade 6, tapos 4 years sa high school, college ka na. Ngayon, humaba pa.
Humaba po.
Ay,
Yung kinuha namin yung about public speaking.
oh,
Kaya mukhang nasanay na po ako na magsalita ng
Ng English.
Dahil hindi po kasi, yung English instructor po namin is hindi siya pumapayag na hindi English yung
dapat.
flow.
Yeah. Pero from grade 1 to high school, what's the medium of instruction? English or Bisaya or Tagalog?
Ano po ma'am, there's a lot of subject naman po. If
Pag English, syempre.
If
Math.
math, English po.
English also.
When I was elementary, yung yung language ng math is Bisaya. Cebuano. And when I was entering high school, yung except sa Filipino, lahat ng subject is
English.
na.
Very good. Dapat ganon. Pero some schools, I think, hindi na, di ba? Parang, kasi sometimes I hear na they want to be nationalistic, so you should speak in Tagalog. So, medium of instruction, nagiging Tagalog or Bisaya. Pero during our time, talaga grade 1 at 2, college English talaga.
So, nagpo-focus po kayo ng isang language?
Kasi at that time, it's an asset that you can speak English. Di ba, Filipinos are known na magaling mag-English yung mga Pilipino.
Opo.
Kasi from grade 1 up to college, English. Tapos binago. Ganyan nationalistic. So, medium of instruction, ginawang Tagalog.
Opo.
Yung
Filipino na.
Filipino, yeah.
yung subject.
Pero college, English talaga.
English na po.
Lahat talaga,
Lahat.
English.
Opo.
Pwede na rin siguro. Pwede na rin. Very good na rin.
But
Pero pag high school, or Bisaya, Tagalog,
no ma'am.
English na rin.
Po, except sa Filipino, all of the subject is English po. Language na English.
From grade 1 to
Hindi
college.
po. Sa elementary, yung mga English, science is Bisaya yung ginamit ng Cebuano.
Cebuano, science?
English man apa? English man English din kan ma'am?
English also.
Science. Yung math namin, MTB, is Bisaya. Po. Starting grade 6, wala nang Bisaya na ginamit na language.
Wala nang Bisaya. It's either English
Or Filipino.
Filipino.
But, usually, English po talaga yung...
Better. Ako gusto ko talaga kasi Filipinos ngayon, di ba? Sabi yung pag Filipino, they can speak English. We're known as a country, English-speaking country daw ang Philippines. Na dapat i-develop nila yung i-continue nila. Some, parang I heard, nationalistic. We are Filipinos. Why do we teach our children in English?
Sabi na lang din ng